I've been hurt before, and I've dealt with the pain, but now I realize I need more. Could that be you who knew I'd get these crazy feelings every time I see you? I promise I'm not drunk, see I'm just trying to spill the truth. And girl, I know it's been some time, but in my life is what I need. You right now, I'ma tell you how I feel right now. Can we go back, all the way back to when I first made you smile? It's been a while since I've seen your pretty face. Yeah, just always know these other girls will never replace. Yeah, I'm wasting all my time on all these girls that don't mean nothing. Thinking way back to that summer, ooh, I knew you felt that something. You can't tell me there was nothing in this crush, the longest one I've ever had. I'm looking back like, girl, you're the best thing that I never had. So just know, if you ever had your doubts, so you're feeling down and out, I'll pick you right up off the ground. Girl, I want you. Should've never made you wait just to listen to me say no one has made me feel this way. Girl, I want you to know, I want you to know, I want you, I want you, I want you to know that I want you. Think about you every day, I feel it's finally safe to say that you could be the one to rescue. See, we've been friends forever, and every time me and my last don't last, I'm texting you to feel better. Now I wonder if you see us together, cause even through a hailstorm I feel like me and you could weather this weather. Yeah, that last line was a subliminal clue. I hope you hear this so you know just how I feel about you. Too scared to tell you how I feel, but always wish that you knew. And now I'm stuck here writing songs, and all these songs are the proof. Do you ever miss me? Remember last summer when you kissed me? Honestly, that night was the best. Yeah, I think we'd agree that night was a mess. You see, now at the time I had this friend that really liked you, and was talking to this girl that would do anything to spite you. Due to them, I never made a move. That was my mistake, because they showed me what it's like to get walked on and be betrayed. Now I'm sitting on this train just thinking about you and me. So if I fall, will you be there to catch me? Please baby, don't go. Just know, if you ever had your doubts, so you're feeling down and out, I'll pick you right up off the ground. Girl, I want you. Should've never made you wait just to listen to me say no one has made me feel this way. Girl, I want you to know, I want you to know, I want you, I want you, I want you to know that I want you. Think about you every day, I feel it's finally safe to say that you could be the one to rescue. Just know, if you ever had your doubts, so you're feeling down and out, I'll pick you right up off the ground. Girl, I want you. Should've never made you wait just to listen to me say no one has made me feel this way. Girl, I want you to know, I want you to know, I want you, I want you, I want you to know that I want you. Think about you every day, I feel it's finally safe to say that you could be the one to rescue. Hey.
Seeing me, got thousands of fans, don't know what they mean to me. Rap is the only time where I have a voice, that's why I have to voice everything. Back then I reached out, and they didn't want to reach back. Now that I'm getting radio play, they want to talk, I don't speak back. Didn't need that, let's believe that. After these tracks, 2016 will be my year, and I don't give a fuck if you don't see that. And it seems that I'm slowly finding myself, and slowly I'm realizing the only person who cared how I felt was me. You were no help. Yes, I'm fragile. When I asked you to look at me, you would look past me, I could tell. It's me against the world, and I'm desperate for help. stick with. They don't wanna know the real me, they just wanna know me because I'm sick hit. And they just wanna talk to me, just so they can say they did it. Rap has ruined my life, cause now they're so sketchy. But it's easy to tell the difference of someone who's real or someone who's fake. They ask how I feel, but I do not explain. I wish family would check up on me and see if I'm okay. My mom says call me if you need me, but that's so cliche. I'm on the boulevard stumbling, drunk right now. I think I might walk into traffic and simply lie down. You can honk the horns, I throw middle fingers up and scream pipe down. I pick the pipe up and I smoke until it's lights out. I act confident about myself to hide that I'm subconscious. I act like you help, but everything I did is self-accomplished. My life isn't great, I'm just a rapper, nothing more, I promise. My life is hard, and if they ask why, I'll respond with perfect isn't perfection unless you see it as it. All I can see is me being terrible at it. I pray for a miracle while he prays to fix his habit. We both pray to the same God, but praying is a dying fashion. A meteorite just struck my world, now my life is drastic. I cannot handle it, imagine if I gave up and got past it. I live a life without a dream of release and I felt tempted at it. Whoa, since birth, I felt like a mistake. I'm not beautiful, I just had to get used to having this face. Overthinking myself to sleep, I have the same thoughts when I awake. And these thoughts, they keep picking apart my brain. Fuck it, I'm insane. Sick of the people who always tell me that I'm the one to blame. But you didn't want to go through what I have went through, I went through this pain. I severed the feeling, I had to reveal it, and I already gotta get past that. I wish you'd understand that.